Hey you guys, welcome back to Zindy. So today I want to show you how to make these chocolate box acrylic blanks. They are so cute. This is the 3D version. I haven't done a video on our 3D acrylics yet, so I think y'all are gonna really enjoy this. So this is, like I said, the chocolate box. This is a 2-inch size. As far as what acrylic blanks you need, you'll need a 2-inch of the regular chocolate box acrylic blank. It can be the thin acrylic or it can be the normal acrylic. It doesn't matter. This is the thin acrylic, but you can use either one. And then you will need a set of the 3D pieces. The 3D pieces come with both of these together. So you'll just have a set and they will go with your regular acrylic blank. So these are basically just optional add-ons if you just want to take your chocolate box and make it just a little bit more extra, okay? So these, as far as the 3D pieces, one of them will be white and one of them will be clear. I'll show you why that matters later. So that is the 3 pieces you need for acrylic blanks. And like I said, the acrylic blank is sold by itself. These are sold together as a set, okay? And then as far as your vinyl, what we're doing today is we're gonna use some violet holographic glitter adhesive. I'm gonna put that on the back. This is a lavender Oracle 651. And then this is oil slick adhesive vinyl. Super cool. It just adds a different element and I really like this. Okay, so let's get started. All right, let me zoom y'all in so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, we're gonna start with our back piece, okay? So we're gonna take the brown protective covering off. And when you're doing this, just be careful not to touch the actual acrylic part if you can. Any oils on your hands, etc., will make it where you might have bubbles or it's harder to get everything to stick. Okay, so I already have my vinyl cut out for this. This piece is already in the cut file that you're going to get with your chocolate box acrylic. I'm just going to remove that backing, line this up, and apply that to my acrylic blank. Use a squeegee and just burnish it well. And then remove that transfer tape. All right, so we have that part done. Looks like this. All right, now we're gonna go on to our 3D pieces. We're gonna take the white one first, okay? This one, we're gonna go ahead and remove the backing paper off the front and the back. Okay, and this is gonna get glued right on top like that, okay? So I'm gonna just be using some E6000 glue. This stuff is not awesome to work with, but it works well. So I'm just gonna take some and do a layer in the middle area. I wanna stay kind of in this little center area so when I put my piece on, it's not going to seep out the edge. Okay. All right. So we have that attached and this will dry. All right, so we're gonna move this aside for now. We're gonna take our heart and we're gonna go ahead and apply the lavender Oracle 651 onto this. All right. This will end up going here, but first we're going to take the backing off of that. The reason why I'm using Oracle 651 on this side is that if I want to turn this over, I can, because Oracle 651 is the same on both sides. So for this piece, I can apply it this way to give it that kind of three-dimensional look. Any of these bubbles you see right here will dissipate over a few days. Or I can apply it this way and give it more of a solid look. I think I'm going to do it that way. So let's go ahead and add our details first. So this is where the holographic, the rainbow slip comes in. All right. So that will go like that. Okay, from here, I can decide if I want to resin this or not. For this one, I think I'm going to just leave it unresined so y'all can kind of see what that looks like, because it's totally acceptable and totally fine to not resin your pieces if you don't want to, as long as you're using permanent adhesive vinyl so that it stays intact. We're going to go ahead and turn this over, remove this backing. I'm trying to be delicate with it as my glue is still a little wet. Okay. If you're wondering what the back of holographic adhesive looks like, it looks like this, so it's just as beautiful. It's just not colored. Okay, so now we're gonna apply this little bow that I made out of faux leather, and this is a SS10 rhinestone. I'll do another video on how to make these. It's super, super easy, and they come out so, so cute. So that is gonna go right here on our chocolate box. So we're gonna do the same thing, get some E6000 and glue that on. You can also use hot glue if you prefer. It will dry much quicker. Or you can use UV resin. Just be prepared with UV resin. You wanna make sure that the light fully gets to it for it to cure. If you were going to resin this piece, I would resin it first and then apply the bow after. Okay, so we got that. So cute. We're going to go ahead and add some E6000 to this so that we can apply our top to it. So we're going to take our top, put on here like that. Now we're going to let this dry before we handle it too much, but I want y'all to be able to see. So this is our 3D chocolate box. So, so cute. So from here you could turn this into a magnet, you could turn it into a badge rail, a bunch of things. They're so adorable. That's what the side looks like. So I hope y'all like it, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.